Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into LangChain's multi-agent handoffs in Python, one of the most powerful patterns for building advanced agent workflows. Whether you're building customer support bots, multi-stage conversational AI, or task-oriented agent systems, this video will walk you through it end to end. What is a handoff? First, what exactly is a handoff? In LangChain's multi-agent architecture, a handoff lets one agent seamlessly transfer control and context to another agent. That means the user doesn't see a switch, they just continue the conversation as if it's one fluid experience. It's like passing the baton in a relay, one agent ends, another continues with full context intact. Core characteristics. Here are the key traits of the handoff pattern. State driven behavior. Agents change behavior based on a shared state variable. Tool based transitions. Transitions happen via tools updating that state. Persistent state. Conversation state survives across turns. Unquote. Why use handoffs? When should you use it? Try handoffs when your workflow has multiple steps. You want specialized agents to handle different parts of the task. You want the AI to interact with users directly at each step. For example, a support bot that first collects user info, then brings in a specialist based on issue type. How handoffs work? Unlike a single agent with tools, in handoffs, the active agent can change. Each agent can decide, I need help, and trigger a handoff tool to pass the conversation to a specialized agent. Here, we define a simple tool transfer to specialist, which updates the state and lets the system know it should switch agents. Single agent versus multi-agent. You have two options. Single agent with middleware, one agent whose behavior changes dynamically based on state. Multiple agent subgraphs, distinct agents that hand off to one another directly. End quote. Multi-agent handoff example. In a multi-agent setup, each node represents an agent, like a sales agent and a support agent. Tools called transfer to sales and transfer to support help the agents pass control back and forth, unquote. You can show the longer snippet like in the docs if you want to include code in the video graphics. Context engineering tips. One key challenge is context engineering. When an agent hands off to another, you control exactly what gets passed forward. This prevents bloated or irrelevant context. Often you only want to pass a minimal set of messages, unquote. Here are some real world use cases. Customer support flows, multi-stage conversational apps, specialized agents, refund, enrollment, scheduling, etc. Each step can be its own agent with clean handoff logic between them, unquote. Tip, combine with routers and skills. Handoffs play nicely with other multi-agent patterns like routers or skills. Routers can decide which agent to call and skills can load specialized context dynamically, end quote. That's a wrap. You now have the basics of LangChain's multi-agent handoffs in Python, concept, code, and real use cases. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which agent system you want to build next. See you in the next video.